Hey, it's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about the Google Pixel 7's features, release date, and more. Year after year, Google releases its flagship Pixel phones in the fall, so it's safe to assume we're still several months out from a Pixel 7 launch. But rumors are already heating up, including an October release date and recent speculations that the Pixel 7's display will be a bit smaller than its predecessors. Google took a bold new approach with its flagship Pixel 6 series, and it seems to have paid off, earning the company critical praise and commercial success, at least for a relatively small batch of phones it did release. The Pixel 6 series ushered in a new era for Google's sagging smartphone business, held by this new design. Outwind last year's mid-range processor, in came the company's year-in-the-making Tensor chip. Outwind the generic, tried and tested hardware design, in came a statement device with a signature camera bar running across the width of the chassis. For the Pixel 7, the research giant will likely take a similar approach, drawing on its Tensor chip to enhance the device's machine learning features. To be clear, there are few credible rumors to lean on to help us get a better sense of what Google plans to do with the Pixel 7, but that won't stop us from trying to piece together what might be in the store. Google's flagship handsets have launched in October for years, ever since the first-gen Pixel was unveiled to the world. Barring any worsening supply chain issues and other macro factors, it's probably a safe bet that the Pixel 7 will receive an official launch in October. Leaker John Prosser tweeted that the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will indeed launch that month alongside a Pixel Watch. Two leaks from reliable tipster Steve have given us some insight into what the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro could look like. The Pixel 7 leak says that the flagship will have a display between 6.2 and 6.4 inches, a tad bigger than the 6.1-inch Samsung Galaxy S22 and the rumored display size for the expected iPhone 14. It shows two 50-megapixel back cameras and a punch-hole front camera, a space-maximizing feature where the selfie cam is embedded within the screen instead of resting above it. The Pixel 7 Pro renders also show a punch-hole front camera, but 3 back cameras instead of 2. The leak says that the phone will have a curved OLED display around 6.8 inches, similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra and its S21 predecessor. More recently, display analyst Rose Young suggests that the Google Pixel 7 will be slightly smaller than the Pixel 6, having a 6.3-inch display compared to the Pixel 6's 6.4 inches. The Pixel 7 Pro, however, is said to use the same 6.7-inch screen as the Pixel 6 Pro. And that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned for more in the upcoming videos, and for that, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.